Welcome back. Let's get you a CNBC TV18 exclusive. We learned from government sources that a vote on GST compensation issue is unlikely. The government is going to argue that state borrowing does not need the nod of the GST Council. Timsy now joins us for more details. Timsy?
Well, yes, as you rightly said, sources have ruled out that voting on GST compensation issue cannot happen since the compensation issue is under the GST's purview, but states borrowing are not jurisdictionally under GST Council's purview. Thus, state borrowings do not need a GST Council nod. States can borrow on the basis of future receipts of the compensation, and states do not need Council's recommendation to raise loan, since the issue of borrowing is not under GST Council's jurisdiction, as I repeatedly said. Also, only issues under the Council's jurisdiction can be put out for voting. Thus, this particular issue is unlikely to have a voting when the Council meets on 12th of October. Also, the decision on borrowing comes under Article 293 of the Constitution is what Centre's argument is. And that's what exactly empowers the states to borrow. And that is what is keeping the Council away to go for a voting or a division. When it comes to the purview of the Council's jurisdiction was only to extend the levy of the compensation cess, which it has done yesterday when it met, and now it is for the individual states to take a decision on borrowing. We are also being told by sources that since the states will have an additional levy to access to, that is the extension of the compensation cess, what keeps away is that even if there is one single state which wants to borrow, and if all other states oppose to the borrowing, still it cannot be prevented. That means that particular single state cannot be kept away from borrowing. So government is very clear that under Article 293 is what empowers a state to borrow, and it is not the GST Council, which is the empowering body to allow a state to borrow. So let's see what happens on the crucial borrowing issue per se on 12th of October, because Finance Minister very clearly said that I'm willing to give more time. I'm willing to give more time to states to talk and come up with a possible solution, because funds are definitely not being, there are not enough funds in the compensation cess kitty to do with what states' requirement is, that is the 14% guarantee that states have under the GST. Back to you.
Okay, Timsy, thanks very much. It's all about money, yes, and a critical issue on compensation between centre and states. Well, the market, for what it's worth, is actually still holding up 90 points, so there's no ruffle, at least as of now. Bank Nifty is up just under 300 points. It's been a steady first half. Is the second half going to be similar? Well, stay tuned to find out. We have halftime report coming up next.